If you're new here, I'm Alicia, your luxury kitchen designer, and today we're diving into the little luxuries that can elevate your kitchen from functional to fabulous. Whether you're renovating or just looking for ways to upgrade your kitchen, the points I'm going to make in this video are not only going to enhance your kitchen style, but also its functionality. Let's kick things off with something subtle yet impactful: worktop edging. While it might seem like a small detail, the right edging for your kitchen worktop can really change the way it looks and really add a sophisticated touch to your kitchen. Consider options like a shark nose for a more contemporary look, a waterfall edge if you're looking for something a little bit more bold, or a Venetian edge if you're looking for something a little bit more classic. There are lots of options to choose from to customize your kitchen worktop for your space. A hot tap. This is a game changer for anyone who prioritizes convenience in the kitchen. Imagine having instant boiling water at your fingertips for tea, coffee, cooking, even soaking your dishes. No more waiting for the kettle to boil. Hot taps not only save time, but also reduce your energy consumption, making them an eco-friendly luxury. Plus, they're incredibly sleek and can fit into any kitchen design. If you want to know more about hot taps, I've actually already posted a whole video on this topic. Steam ovens. If you're passionate about cooking, the steam oven is a must-have luxury item. Steam ovens cook food quickly and evenly while retaining nutrients and flavor. They're perfect for baking bread with a crispy crust, cooking delicate fish, and the one that I think people will use most often is reheating food but without drying it out. So a steam oven is both an investment in your kitchen and your culinary skills. Smart appliances. These days, smart appliances are becoming a common feature in luxury kitchens. From refrigerators that remind you when you're out of groceries, to ovens that you can control from your phone, smart appliances bring convenience and innovation to your daily routine. They not only make your cooking easier, also enhance the overall efficiency of your kitchen. Now let's talk about something that makes kitchen cleanup a breeze: a waste disposal. These under-the-sink appliances make getting rid of food waste quick and effective, keeping your kitchen clean and odor-free. They're particularly good for homes with very busy kitchens and large families. It reduces the amount of time you'll have to change your bins, as there's a lot less food waste actually going into your bin waste. So if you hate taking the bins out like me, this is a must-have. It's a practical luxury that adds convenience to your daily life. A plumbed ice maker in your freezer. This is a small addition with a very big impact, especially if you like to entertain or make iced coffees every morning. Having a constant supply of ice is a small luxury that you'll quickly get used to and come to appreciate. Plumbed directly into your water supply, these ice makers ensure you always have a constant supply of ice. They completely eliminate the boring job of constantly refilling ice trays. It's a touch of luxury that adds a lot of convenience to your kitchen and also adds a little bit of fun, especially if you have kids, as they love the ice maker. Whether you're looking for convenience or style, these little luxuries will definitely make your kitchen an area that you'll love to spend a lot more time in. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments below. And if you got any tips from this video, please do give it a like. It just lets me know that you like these types of videos and I'll keep making more of them for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.